Hello students, in previous video we have discussed about what is mixture, and there are two types of mixture. What is mixture? The two or more substances mixing in any proportion without chemically joining. Okay, so there are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? Here the constituents uniformly mix throughout the mixture. Okay, here the constituent of mixture uniformly mix throughout the mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Okay, so example of homogeneous mixture is solution. Example of homogeneous mixture is solution. Okay, and heterogeneous mixture means here constituent of mixtures are not uniformly mixed throughout the mixture. So that mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. There are two types of heterogeneous mixture. Here suspension and colloid. Suspension and colloid. Today we are going to discuss about homogeneous mixture and the example solution. Okay, so what is homogeneous mixture? Here constituent of mixture are uniformly mixed throughout the mixture. It's called homogeneous mixture, and solution is the example of homogeneous mixture. So let's discuss about solution. Solution. Homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Here homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Okay, we know homogeneous mixture have only one phase and heterogeneous mixture have two or more phases. What is meant by phase? The uniform composition is called phase. The matter having uniform composition is called phase. Okay, so that type of composition homogeneous mixture have only one type. Okay, and here heterogeneous mixture have two or more type. Okay, so solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Okay, so what is the definition of solution? Homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. This solution is made up of solute and solvent. So solution is equal to solvent plus solute. Okay, here solution is made up of solvent and solute. So solution is equal to solvent plus solute. So now what is solvent and what is solute? Take some example. Here salt solution is a solution. Salt dissolved in water, then it forms salt solution. Okay, so this salt in water is a solution. Here in this solution water is present in large proportion and salt is present in less proportion. Okay, so water that present in solution is called solvent, and salt that dissolved in water that present in less proportion is called solute. Okay, so what is the definition of solvent and solute? Solvent, the component of solution that present in largest proportion. Okay, the component of solution that present in largest proportion is called solvent. Here in salt solution water is present in largest proportion, that is why water is solvent. Okay, and salt is present in less proportion, that is why salt is solute. Okay, here solute dissolved in solvent. Solute dissolved in solvent and makes solution. Okay, solvent in which solute dissolved is present in largest proportion. Okay, so solute that dissolve in solvent and solution forms. Okay, so solution is equal to solvent plus solute. Now next, solute. The component of solution that present in less proportion is called solute. Here in salt solution, salt is present in less proportion. That is why it is solute. So what is the definition of solute? The component of solution that present in less proportion is called solute. Do you understand what is solution? Homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. This solution is made up of solvent and solute. What is solvent? The component of solution that present in largest proportion is called solvent. Solute, the component of solution that present in less proportion is called solute. Okay? Do you understand? Yes, solute dissolve in solvent because solute present in less quantity and solvent present in large quantity. Okay? So there are some types of this solution, types of this homogeneous mixture. So let's discuss about the types of solution. The next point is types of solution. So these are the 5 types of solution. First, gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, solid in solid, and gas in gas. Okay, these are the types of solution. Gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, solid in solid, and gas in gas. Okay, and here the example of these types. So let's discuss. The first type of solution, gas in liquid. The first type of solution, gas in liquid. Here the substance that return after in, the substance that return after in is solvent. Okay, and here gas in liquid means gas present in liquid, that is why gas is solute. Okay, here in gas in liquid, gas is present in less proportion, that is why gas is solute. Here gas dissolved in liquid, that is why gas is solute, because we know solute dissolved in solvent. Okay, here gas dissolved in liquid, that is why liquid is solvent. Okay, so what is example of gas in liquid? See the example, chlorinated water. Here chlorine gas dissolved in water, that is why it is called chlorinated water. Here chlorine is gas and it dissolved in water, that is why chlorine is gas, chlorine is solute. Okay, and water is solvent. Here in this example, water is present in large proportion, that is why it is solvent, and chlorine present in less proportion, that is why it is solute. Okay. Then the next example of types of solution, liquid in liquid. Here both solute and solvent are same, that is liquid. Here substance that return after in, it is solvent. Okay, but here solute and solvent both are same, that is liquid. So see the example of this type, vinegar and petroleum. Vinegar is the example of liquid in liquid because vinegar means it is dilute acetic acid. Vinegar means dilute acetic acid. What is dilute acetic acid? Acetic acid present in water. Acetic acid dissolved in water. Here acetic acid dissolved in water means acetic acid is liquid, water is also liquid. So both are same phase, both are same component of this type, liquid in liquid. Okay, so the example vinegar is present in liquid type. Okay, then the next example of this second type, petroleum. We know what is petroleum. Petroleum is a mixture of rocket, diesel, petrol and other hydrocarbons. Okay, so these are the liquid in state. We know rocket is in liquid, petrol is in liquid, diesel also in liquid. So this example is liquid in liquid. Okay, it is a mixture of different hydrocarbons. Then the third type of this solution, solid in liquid. Solid in liquid. The substance that return after in is solvent. So here liquid is solvent and solid is solute. It means solid dissolved in liquid. So examples of this type, sugar solution. We have already seen the example salt solution. Similarly, here solid in liquid is sugar solution. Sugar dissolved in water is called sugar solution. Here water is present in large proportion, that is why it is solvent, and sugar is present in less proportion, that is why it is solute. And so solute dissolved in water, it means sugar dissolved in water. So it is a type, example of this type, solid in liquid. Got it? Then the fourth type of this solution, solid in solid. Solid in solid. The example of this type is alloy. Example of this type is alloy. Alloy means it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metal. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metal or metal and non-metal. Okay? The homogeneous mixture of two or more metal and non-metal is called alloy. There are different alloy that we are familiar with these types, with these examples, brass, bronze, stainless steel. Okay? These are the examples of this homogeneous mixture is called alloy. Okay? So here in this type, the substance that return after in is solid. That is why solid is solvent. And solid in solid means solid dissolved in solid. Here in this type, both phases are same. Solute and solvent both are same. That is why the alloy is the example of this type. See, let's discuss this example. Brass. We know brass is alloy. It is a mixture of homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. See here, brass is made up of copper and zinc. Copper is metal, zinc is metal. Both are solid in state. So that is why these are the example of solid in solid. Okay? It is a homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc form brass. Then the second example, bronze. Bronze also alloy, and it is the example of solid in solid because bronze is made up of copper and tin. Copper and tin. We know copper is in solid state, tin is in solid state. That is why both are solid in state. So both phases are same, that is solute, and solvent is same, that is solid in solid. So these are the example of this type. Okay. Then the next last type of this solution is gas in gas. Here also both phases are same, gas and gas. Okay. It means solute and solvent both are same, that is gas. Okay. So the example of this type is air. Why air is the example of this type, gas in gas? Because air is a mixture of different gases oxygen is present in air, nitrogen is present in air, carbon dioxide is present in air, okay, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. These are the different gases that present in the air, okay. These all are gases. So air is the example of gas in gas. Here both solute and solvent are gas. So these are the examples of types of solution. Today we are discuss what is homogeneous mixture, then the example of homogeneous mixture solution. What is solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. And the solution is made up of solute and solvent. And what is solvent? The component of solution that present in large proportion. The component of solution that present in less proportion, okay, and together it is called solution. Here solute dissolve in solvent and form solution, okay. So these are the different types of solution. Here gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, solid in solid, and gas in gas. So write down in your